var I gode, skat?
This time on Evy Adventures. As mentioned before, every Wednesday we have a club race, and Torben he's participating and practicing his sailing skills. He's learning a lot from these races, and also they have a lot of fun. The project list is 4 pages long, but these are the items we need to get done first.
One of them is that we're almost out of gas, and the new gas bottle doesn't really fit, so we have to rebuild it. Just have to show you. The problem is that this is a normal gas bottle, so you can buy many places, but in Denmark we are always special, so you can only get them from this company, and it's not allowed to refill a bottle, so we have to buy those, but it doesn't fit.
That was one project off the list, and now it's time for something else. Torben isn't really addicted to his mobile, but he has the sea charts on there and he needs it to make sure we don't sail over the shallow waters.
kan du mærke, hvordan det føles. Så hopper vi forlæns i.
We want to make an exercise where we show the kids what happens if you fall overboard from the ship and how it feels when the vest inflates. So we took the dinghy out, tested out, so they can have some kind of idea of what would happen if they actually fall in the water someday. As you can see, sometimes the kids need a little push before they want to try something new, and sometimes they just need a hug. And Isabella is really brave actually, but sometimes she just needs to be reminded of it. So in she went.
Ja, men så trøster vi dig, ikke? Så vi hænger. Er du klar? Så er det bare i med dig. Prøv nu at komme ned i vandet, og mærk redningsvesten.
Det spænder faktisk meget
Ja,
her.
prøv lige at mærke, hvordan det er.
And once she overcame her fear and actually got in the water, she found out it wasn't that bad and it was actually kind of fun.
I sådan en stilling sådan der. Yes, og så ligger knæene helt op til brystkassen.
And then it was Sebastian's turn, and he's not really as brave as his sister, and he likes to argue a lot, so we had to go through the water is too cold, and I have the wrong shoes on, and why didn't she have to do it like this? But in he got, with a bit of whining, of course.
Nej, det er kun lige, du kommer ned. Prøv at hoppe ned nu. Ned med dig. Jeg holder fast i rebet. Du kan ikke komme op igen. Sebastian, jeg har dig. Jeg prøver at ligge der bag. Sebastian, ligge der bagover.
Sebastian wasn't really comfortable, so we tried a different approach. And we sailed closer to the shore, where he can reach the bottom.
Præcis, Isabella. Det er rigtig godt. Ja, det er lidt hårdt. Men ved I, hvad vi så skal prøve lige om lidt? Sebastian, du skal også prøve det, som Isabella gør, og svømme.
Nej, på bryggen.
Nu kan han ikke.
Sebastian.
Isabella really caught on quickly, but Sebastian needed a bit more test runs. But once he got in there, and he actually found out that it wasn't that dangerous, he found it kind of funny, and he was trying all sorts of things, and singing and laughing.
Vi skal prøve om lidt, der og Isabella skal samarbejde om at svømme sammen. Så hvis I to rører i vandet. Så derfor er det vigtigt, at du lige gør, hvad jeg siger.
Jeg vil lige hoppe.
Prøv en gang, og Sebastian. Prøv at ligge. Sebastian. Prøv lige at gøre, hvad der bliver sagt i et øjeblik. Det er at tage og sætte benene op i luften.
Og lægge hovedet ned, som om den bruger den som hovedpude.
Jo, det er rigtig godt. Du var lige ved at være der. Sådan der. Lige præcis sådan der. Ja, det er godt.
Jamen, det er kun et øjeblik, skal.
Prøv at gøre sådan her med armene.
Ej, Isabella.
Sebastian, prøv at kigge på far. Gør sådan her med armene.
Må jeg vælge bagop?
Jamen, det kan du ikke. Jeg lover dig, det kan ikke.
Du håndklæderne? Nå.
Sebastian, jeg lover dig, du kan ikke vælte bagover med den vest på. Så hvis du gør sådan her, Basman, med armene, så holder jeg dig. Ja, det er meget fint. Tør I prøve? Isabella, kan du komme i vandet en gang?
It took a bit of persuasion, but in the end he caught on, and we had them doing some teamwork exercises, and they did have fun with it.
Du skal vende om, så du har ryggen mod Isabella.
Så du ikke kan se Isabella. Sebastian, vend om.
Sådan, så du får ryggen mod Isabella.
Sådan der. Og så holder du fast i benene. Og så svømmer du, Isabella.
Hold fast i Isabellas ben, Sebastian, så hovedet tilbage. Hovedet tilbage, skal.
Filmer du det der?
Ja. Hvor er du god?
Wow, det er sejt, det der, unger. Det er lige præcis det der.
And when they finally did it, we were really proud of them because they overcame their fear and they tried on something new and they were really good at it. And here we are trying to teach them how to lay still in the water and preserve their heat while waiting to get rescued.
Det her det er super fedt lige at få lavet den her øvelse.
And after that terrible ordeal we put them through, they really deserved the ice cream they got.
Hey unger, var det sjovt?
That was it for now. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you next time where we will continue our projects and we take some friends out sailing for the weekend. Please remember to follow us on YouTube and like us on Instagram and Facebook. See you!